Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe on Ron's Keto Cafe. Hope you really have been enjoying these. Well, today we're going to be making a keto lasagna, and basically for carnivore. And this recipe comes to you from Marie Emmerich. And please go over there and support her channel. And I have a link above or below the timeline somewhere, and the actual video where I found this recipe from. Now, on her particular recipe video, I think she used ground turkey or ground chicken. Actually, it was deli chicken. But on mine, I ended up taking some 2080 ground chuck and I fried it all up, and I broke it, put this hamburger and meat grinder there. I really like using this, and I use it quite often. And now we're gonna get the meat going and get it really cranking up, and you added some onion powder, garlic powder, and that sort of thing, and just keep going with it. And as I continue to do these recipes, I'll talk over the timeline the best I can as we're coming along. And I was just adding what she added for basic seasonings, and then I ended up letting this keep going till the ground beef is really cooked really well through. And then I put it in the mixing bowl over here and just set it aside for temporarily, and drained out all the liquid out of the pan there, and I get rid of all that junk in there. But there's our ground beef. And then I used a block of cheddar cheese and a block of Parmesan cheese, and I did everything all in the food processor to make it simple. And so and of course I got a KitchenAid food processor, and just be careful when you're dealing with that, because the blades. I almost cut my hand off once using that. And then I took a block of Kerrygold butter and I just melted it down to kind of like that was the topping of the process of the lasagna. And this came out really great there. I popped into the oven there, I believe around 350 for about 40 minutes until it was fully cooked. And now that you got the butter almost melted there, we'll continue on with the process, and I'll continue talking over the video. And I had the stove on medium high, I guess. This is well before I got my induction cooking for the new wave, and so now when I'm doing butter, I put it on that because I can definitely control the temperature a lot better. And you want to keep whisking it, and it's something you don't want to forget about. And you can see how when the bubbles come up like that, it's just about ready. That you're going to have a good lasagna. Now this is what the butter looked like, and then I added a little bit of beef broth to it, and then all my cheese that I put into it, and then I use my stick blender to mix it all in to get it to really that nice texture that I was looking for, kind of like a creamy texture. And just follow the process. And again, her video link is below to show more, and she goes into a little more detail on it than I have. And I'm just kind of like doing like a recap of what she had actually made and stuff like that. And this came out really great, by the way. Sometimes I forget that I made these meals in the past. So now that I'm doing carnivore Monday through Friday, I'm definitely going to be making this again. And I laid it out just like a lasagna on the bottom of the pan, and then they put the cheese and butter stuff all over the top. And oh yeah, it's for a layer. I did end up adding some chicken and some slices of cheese that I had purchased from the deli, and then I used some I believe that was cottage cheese or something like that, and then another layer of the cheese over the top of that. But again, the recipe for her would be below the channel, and then I chopped it all off with mozzarella cheese. And it seems like an awful lot, but this is very filling. And there you have our final product. And again, don't forget to go over here and support her channel, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day.